us.
I'm losing my health units. I think I must rest.
Well, if it is just us, then we'll need some way to contact each other if we then go in different ways.
Back where I come from, if anyone gets separated, we just stay where we're at and wait till someone comes to find us. Yeah, but what if that someone that finds us is one of the ghost engines or something? Yeah, she's got a point there, guys. We could try blowing our whistles or something, but what if we're out of water or coal? Yeah, you got a point there.
I think we should make animal noises so that way the ghost engines think it's us. Something like
Or maybe something like, hey, where'd you guys go? Oh. Or maybe, oh, someone help, I'm all alone.
Shut up, you. Jesus running around Sodor trying to catch some annoying troublesome trucks.
Someone has anger issues. Say, I think we already passed this junction where those trucks were. And I think we already went across that bridge too already. I think we're just going around in circles.
Well, maybe I could be a little more focused if you guys weren't annoying me.
Someone has.
Don't say it the second time. Come on. Or maybe something like quiet.
You guys have done an excellent job capturing all these engines. Thank you, Ravanna, said Adam. Yes, thank you, said Charleston. Oh, no problem, my dear friends. Just then, Kyra arrived with Thomas. Ravanna! What's up, Kyra? I found Thomas. Wait, what? Oh, ha 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 ha. Looky here, my brother. 1008. Ravanna? Hello, Thomas. Nice to finally see you again. Good job, Kyra, for capturing him. No problem, sir. So what do we do with him? Let's take him to the harbor. You guys, yes? Start possessing these engines and take them on our side, and that way we can all celebrate when we dump this one into the sea. Now come on, you. And Ravanna and Kyra rolled away with Thomas. Alright, who should we possess first? Why not this truck right here next to us? How about neither, came a voice. Wait, what? Oh no. Oh, Huh? Zachary? 10? Jim? In the flash? Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you. No problem. Glad we came to the rescue before any of you got possessed. Thank goodness. Glad to see you guys came. Wait, what are you guys even doing here? Weren't you guys teamed up with someone else or something? Well, we were in Calvin's team. We just got there because we were being chased by these guys. Well, Michael to be specific. He was one of the engines that was chasing us. Yeah, and then we came to rescue you guys. Wait, weren't some of you in Thomas's team? Yeah, after Dakota, Tori, Tim, and Topple got derailed, we were left behind and we couldn't move because we were all trapped. after they derailed, and then some of the ghost engines came and took us all here. Oh, I see. Well, I'm glad you guys are okay. So now, let's unpossess these guys. Calvin? Let's turn these guys good again. Alright, let's do this. Huh? What? Calvin? Michael? Huh? What? Hey, we're back to normal. We're good again. You guys are good? Of course we are, Calvin. Thanks for the help. Oh, no problem, my brothers. Anytime. It feels good to be good again. Yes, certainly does. Alright then, now that we've got you three on our side again, let's go and stop some ghost engines! Yeah! Come on, let's do this! And so Calvin and the extra members of his group left. Alright guys, we now have the remaining engines of Thomas's team, and we got Adam, Charleston, and Michael back on our side. Alright, nice to see you guys are back on our side. Thanks, Timothy. So great to be back to being good again. Tell me about it. It didn't feel good to be bad at all. Yeah, I'm glad we got out of the possessing at last. Tell me about it. Things could be worse. Yeah, Michael's right. Things could be worse. Alright, guys. Now it's time to go save the island. Let's get going! Just down the line, Carter was giving some new engines a tour of the railway. These engines have been built at the works. No sooner had he and the engines gone over the points when... Oh! Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Now I'm sure those engines will be left to fall into the sea, and then they'll go to train heaven. Come on, Kyra, let's go. Oh no, what do we do now? Look, over there, there's our answer. Carter was right. They could see the remaining engines of Kelvin's team racing down the line, but they were all going so fast they didn't see them on the bridge. Oh no, I think they didn't see us. Wait, hold on, there are more coming. And they were right. They could see the remaining engines of Calvin's team coming closer and closer. They knew they had to get their attention somehow. I got it. Blow your whistles, guys. 1, 2, 3. Adam and the engines heard the whistles and quickly came to a stop. Adam looked up towards the bridge and saw the 4 engines about to fall into the river. Guys, quickly! Let's go this way! What? No time to explain. Let's go, said Adam. Alright guys, here's what we're gonna do. We're all gonna move up to you one by one and get each of you back on the tracks one by one. Then we'll move you off the bridge. Sounds good. Wait, hold on a moment. Our friends have stopped back there. Wait, what? Stop! The engines looked back. We're gonna have to wait for them. I think they're trying to help those engines off that bridge. I think so, Timothy. Let's just wait and see if they are able to succeed in getting them off the bridge. I hope they will be. Very slowly and carefully, Adam inched onto the bridge and managed to couple up to Carter. Then he pulled him back onto the rails and off the bridge. Alright, that's 3 down, 1 to go. I'm on it. Alright, that's all of them, guys. We did it! Just then, Adam and his team came out of the tunnel.
There, you guys. Wait, what? What's Timothy, Gerald, and Kane doing with you?
To make it long story short, Calvin unpossessed them, and now they're back on our side. Oh, that's good to hear. Yep, that is most definitely good to hear indeed. Just then, Eagle and his team pulled up. Hey, there you guys are, said Winston. Well, looks like everyone is here. I guess so, said Dexter. Okay then, said Dakota. Now everyone is here. What do we have to do now? We've been looking everywhere for Thomas. We've even checked at the smelter's yard too, but he's not there. That's because the ghost engines are taking him to the harbor. What, really? Yeah, so they can dump him into the sea.
Well, we better get going then.
Yeah, Adam, you're right. We need to get going. We need a plan or something, said Rover. I've got an idea, said Connor. Why don't we all go separate ways around the harbor and attack the ghost engines from different parts of the harbor? Like through the back, the middle, and in the forward part of the harbor, in like the opening entrance, is what I mean. And yeah. Sounds like a good plan, said Rover. I agree. Alright then. Tyler, lead the way, buddy.